हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है a टाइम्स b दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 200, b टाइम्स c दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 700 एंड c टाइम्स a दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 800 एंड हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स लुक केयरफुली, वी हैव थ्री इक्वेशंस एंड थ्री अननोन वेरिएबल्स। स्टूडेंट्स, a टाइम्स b दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 200 and b times c this is equals to 700 and c times a this is equals to 800. Now here b and c. Now here if divide both side a, then this a and this a is cancel out, then value of b is 200 divided by a, and here if we divide both side a, then this a and this a is cancel out, then c is equals to 800 divided by a. Now value of b is 200 divided by a, so here 200 divided by a, and value of c is 800 divided by a, and this is equals to 700. 200 times 800, that is 16, and 4 times 0 and divided by a square, and this is equals to 700. Now here if we take 1 and if we multiply, if we use cross multiply, then 700 times a square this is equals to 16, 4 times 0, and if divide both sides 700, then this 700 and this 700 is cancel out, and this is cancel out, then value of a square is equals to 1600 divided by 7. So here value of a square is 1600 divided by 7, and we know that a times b this is 200, a times b this is 200. If we take a square both side, then in left hand side we have a square times b square, this is equals to 200 square, and we know that value of a square is 1600 divided by 7, so this a square is replaced by 1600 divided by 7, and here b square this is equals to 200 square, that is 4 and 4 times 0. Then value of b square this is 4 times 0 multiply by 7 and divide by 1600. Then this 20 and this 20 is cancel out, and this 400 is divided by 16, then we get 25, and b square this is equals to 25 times 7, that is 175. So value of b square is 175 and value of a square is 1600 divided by 7, and here c times a this is equals to 800, c times a this is equals to 800. If we take a square both side again, then here in left hand side c square times a square this is equals to 800 square, then c square a square this is equals to 8 square, that is 6400. Sorry students, 800 square, that is 64 and 4 times 0. Then we know that value of a square is 1600 divided by 7, so c square and here 1600 divided by 7, and this is equals to 64 and 4 times 0. Then value of c square is 64 and 4 times 0, and this 7 in left hand side in division, so in right hand side multiplied by 7 and divide by 1600. Then this 00 and this 00 is cancel out, and here 6400 is divided by 16, then we get 400. Then value of c square is 400 times 7, that is 2800. So students, we have value of a square is this, and b square is this, and c square is this, and students, we know that we will find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So first we know that value of a square is 1600 divided by 7, value of b square is 175, and value of c square is 2800. Now if we add all the expression, then you will get 22,475 divided by 7. Students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.